Okay. So welcome guys to our masterclass on how to Bokashi your pet's poo. So we have today. So Malcom is actually one of the influencers in the composting revolution PH. That's how I actually got to know him. He's a friend of Michael Poblete. He's so guys, if you have seen the pet food digester in our YouTube channel, it's actually inspired by the pet food digester featured by Malcom in his blog Ligaya Garden. So he is here with us today to discuss the technicalities of the pet food digester.
Malcolm from South Australia, Adelaide, near to Adelaide. And I've lived in the Philippines for a while, have a Filipino family, so don't be ashamed of or shy of using Tagalog or dropping out of English and things. It's all fine. Cash here about 3 years ago, kind of by accident. And then I stopped doing it. And my friend Michael Poblete, he was so enthusiastic about everything and in contacting me almost every day asking, what about this? What about this? Then I went back and learned a lot more. So there's always learning. And you guys have all graduated from your batches, and that's pretty awesome. You put your first Bokashi in the ground, I believe. That's the milestone. And we'll talk about it some more from there. If I can, I'll just, how do I, dog food comes from? Athena, almost vegetarian. So, means she has a lot of poo, but luckily because there's not much meat, it doesn't smell bad. So we escaped from that. So tell me who has what kind of dog?
I have a Pomeranian.
Pomeranian?
We have a Shih Tzu here, a princess one.
Two Aspen and a Chihuahua.
Pomeranian and a Spaniel.
And a Spaniel? Okay.
A half German Shepherd, half American Bulldog, sis?
Wow.
American Bulldog.
Yeah, the strong dog.
And I might be the only one with a cat here.
We won't hold that against you.
Yuchi, sit, catch. Good girl. Yuchi.
There.
The coolest dog I ever knew was a Pomeranian.
He's very gentle.
The mother is the local dog. So that's
local.
Yeah.
Okay, well that's good. So we're all on the same page when it comes to dog poo.